Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import custom font on KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my KineMaster application on my mobile phone, and as you can see I have created a project and I'm going to add text first to this project. I'm going to go to the layer and select text, and for example I'm just going to type in hello. Okay, and if you want to change the font, go to the font menu, and here you will be able to get those kind of font. Okay, but here I'm just going to import my own font. We can click on this plus icon if we want to import a font, and it will bring us to our device. And I'm going to go to my downloads album or download folder where I place my fonts. Okay, I'm just going to add this font, for example. Okay, all right, and now the font has been added to the KineMaster, and I'm going to apply it to my text. Okay, and this is the result. Basically, you just need to go to the font and click on the plus icon to import your own font. Okay, and the font will be saved here in the My Font list. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import custom font on KineMaster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.